Maria Curie is among the most renowned and distinguished scientists today. She conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. She was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize and the only woman to date to win the Nobel Prize twice. However, despite all her hard work and success, Maria Curie was not entitled to many financial benefits in her time, and she also faced dash from male scientists in France. Which choice completes a text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Option A, empathy. Option B, concurrence. Option C, amicability. Or option D, hostility. So the first part clearly talks about Maria Curie being a very renowned scientist, being a very distinguished scientist, right? And she had many first awards to her name, right? She was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize. She was the only woman to till date to win the Nobel Prize twice. So the first part has something positive about her. After that, we have a contradiction here, which is however, and then you have a negative part here. So she was not entitled to many financial benefits, right? So we have a contradictory part here. The first part seems to be really positive. Then you have a however here, and the second part takes a turn of events that has to be negative, right? So obviously the word in the blank should be something close to being negative, right? Because this is a negative part of the word here, right? So she was faced with, probably you could say she was faced with maybe you could say that she was not respected by male scientists, right? Because even though she had something really positive, she was not entitled to many financial benefits, and she also faced, you can say, criticism, you can say no proper respect from the male counterparts of her time. So the word that we're looking for should be something close to not having respect, not showing respect by these male counterparts, male scientists. So let's take a look at the options one by one. Option A, empathy. Empathy is a very positive word here. It means to be able to understand someone, right? Understand experience and feelings of others, right? Empathy is again clearly not the answer here. So option A can be eliminated. Moving on to option B, concurrence. Concurrence means to have an agreement in opinion or cooperation. To have, it's basically to confide or to have an agreement, right? In a mutual way. So again, B is not what we're looking for because she faced criticisms. So B can be eliminated. Moving on to option C, amicably. Amicability means to be very friendly, right? Again, that's a very strong positive word, and hence that would clearly be incorrect here. So option C can be eliminated. Then finally, moving on to option D, hostility. This is the correct answer here because hostility clearly means to be criticized, right? To be not to be shown respect, right? So D is close to the one that we're looking for. So D has to be the right answer.